What's up, you guys? I just woke up. I'm on my way to work, but I wanted to share with you my little quick breakfast recipe. Hopefully you can see it. Let me fix the camera so you can see it. Okay, is that better? And I'm all bundled up because I don't like using the heater in my RV. I want to be cold. So all it is a banana, peanut butter. I'm sorry if you're allergic. I don't know if they have like peanut butter substitutions. If that's a thing, let me know. And then a couple of rice cakes. If you want flavored ones, go for it. And then optional ingredient, chia seeds, if you just want those extra omegas. So I'm just going to take a spoon and literally put as little or as much peanut butter as you want on your rice cake. Doesn't have to be the greatest, because remember, we're on our way to work, we're in a rush. So we're just making this. Usually, I don't eat a lot for breakfast, but I try to eat like a little something just to get my appetite going and to wake me up. So what I usually do is I'll make 2 of these, but I only eat like 1 to start, and save the other one for like later when I get hungry in 10 minutes. And then you're just gonna like chop up the banana a little bit in big chunks and hope that they land on top of your rice cake. If you don't have rice cakes, you could probably use toast. I've never tried it with toast. I've had it with like waffles. It's really good with waffles. You could probably do the same with pancakes, but I don't think pancakes are any faster. At least waffles, you just pop them in the oven while you're brushing your teeth or something. So, almost done here. Who knew bananas took so much concentration to cut? Okay, so you have them with the bananas and the peanut butter already piled on, and so you're pretty much done at that point. If, like I said, if you have chia seeds and you want to add it for the extra little health benefits, you can kind of just like sprinkle as much or as little as you want on top, and then you really just bag them up and take them to go, or if you're gonna chomp it down in 2 bites, go for it. But yeah, that's my quick and easy breakfast. I hope you enjoy making your own version of it. Bye.